Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Sasti, a second year medical student from Nepal. Right now, I'm in my pre-dedicated time and I'm planning to take my STEP exams fairly soon. So I was just surfing to the internet when I found an amazing website for medical students, and that is AMBOSS. So AMBOSS is a great question bank and a knowledge bank together in the same place. They offer a lot of questions that you can tailor according to your need, and the knowledge bank is really extensive. They also have some cool pre-made study plans for USMLE exams, for clerkship exams, and for clinical subspecialties. And before I continue with this video, I'd like to confirm that this video is not sponsored or anything. I have heard a lot of people telling AMBOSS is a assessment tool used during your dedicated time period, but I don't think so, as I have been using AMBOSS in my pre-dedicated time as a learning tool, and I really like it. Now let me begin with some of my favorite points. As aforementioned, they offer a lot of pre-made study plans. For example, they have 77 blocks for USMLE Step 1 categorized on the basis of subject. AMBOSS allows you to review the questions again, where you get to redo the questions you did wrong earlier. This is equivalent to doing the wrongs in another question banks. The USMLE questions are really long, but you do not need everything that is in the question. There are a lot of noise, that is unwanted information which is not necessary for problem solving, and you must be able to differentiate the unwanted things from the relevant. And this is where AMBOSS comes in. It trains you to identify the real key infos by selecting it in the question and validating it later. In my med school, they don't teach us to study CT, MRI, and X-rays during our first and second year. AMBOSS makes it really easy by allowing overlays and labels. After you complete a session, it tells you the topics you are weak in and provides you the respective study materials. The library is really interactive and quiz-based. This means you can quiz yourself on the content, flowcharts, label diagram after studying that topic. You can also create a custom question bank according to your need. For example, I want to test myself on the anatomy of CNS. Then I can do it like this. The only sad thing for me about AMBOSS is that doing it and reviewing it and then making the notes takes a lot of time. But this is because the syllabus of Nepal is very different from that of the Western countries. But this is something very personal, and AMBOSS has nothing to do with it. And I'm really working forward. So now let me tell you how do I do AMBOSS. So initially I did my sessions in custom mode, but now I'm doing it according to the pre-made plans. So I prefer reading the questions from the last sentence and then moving upwards, and then I highlight all of the relevant stuffs in the question and then see if I know the answer or do not know the answer. If I know the answer, I'll go and click the answer, but if I do not know the answer, which happens like a lot of time, I'll just go and click the attending tab. And if I know the answer very well, I'll just go for it, but if I do not know the answer, I will again just guess it and then review it, like was my answer correct or not, why was it correct, why was it wrong, and I'll just go through all of the options available, and then I'll go to the next question. And after I have completed all of my session, I review it again and make a note in the Word document. This allows me to review it in the future as well. So the full feature of AMBOSS costs you about $150 for 3 months. That is like $50 a month. For the people in USA, UK, that's not a lot of money, but for us, for my fellas in Nepal, South Asian countries, and other developing countries, it's a big deal to spend the money like that. So yeah, luckily I got a scholarship from AMBOSS, and then I told this to some of my friends, and they also applied for the scholarship program, and we all got it, and we all are really grateful. So I want to share this with you so you guys can also enjoy the scholarship. So to get the scholarship, you need to open the link provided in the description box and then go to Global Education Fund. Fill out the form and wait for 3 to 7 days for them to reply you back. All of the people whom I recommended using this Amboss got the scholarship, and I hope you will get it too. So Amboss has allocated around $2 million to help students overcome the COVID-19 pandemic. This scholarship, I received a full question bank, a full knowledge bank, an analysis tool, and the mobile application for 3 months. The program helped me a lot. So I would like to end this video telling that Amboss is a great application for with a lot of great potentials to assist us in our medical journey. And yeah, if you have any questions or you want to know anything about me, my medical journey, then please comment below or you can directly email me. And if you find this video useful, please like, share, and comment. Thank you.